but you got him in the tongue. Can you get it out? I got boys. Got it?
Yep.
Okay. I want you to stand here for pictures. Oh, I'm almost out of battery. I gotta get a new battery. I gotta get this for you. That was perfect. That was perfect, my friend. That was nice. Alright, get a little closer to the camera. I'm gonna get it. Nice pictures for you. A little bit further back. There you go, right there. And then point it out so you can see it. Now, this way. I bet you that's good 6 pounds.
That is too.
Right? About 6. Let's weigh it. Let's see. I think my thing is in here. Let me just get this a little bit. Okay, just come on up here.
Corn cutter. What do you guess, Joel?
What do you think? 6?
7.
5.5?
Dang, Joel.
6.13.
Whoa.
Right on 7 almost. Let me do it again.
Close, yeah.
That's pretty good, Jules. Six
1 ounce off of 7. I will call it 7. Yeah, hold on to that. Let's get you some nice videos. Okay. Eric, right? Eric got a nice 6.15. 1 ounce off of 7. Just take a nail down there. There you go. Beautiful. Straight up and down. Beautiful. I want to get a release?
Yep.
Hang on. Hang on, let me put this camera in. Push it up that way. Keep them up.
Look at you.
I got it. Hit that button if you can.
The button.
Yeah, the button. There you go.
I'm not used to this kind of rock.
You did good.
Oh, you did great. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Hold on, I'm gonna get some nice pictures. Yeah, get a picture of that too. Hold it like this. You put your thumb
Through here.
under here.
Okay.
Okay. This should be on the other side. Hold on, let me see. Right there.
Oh, okay.
No, good. Right there, and put them right in that pocket and twist up a little bit. Let me have this.
Nice, Joel.
Yeah. Hang on. Julie caught a nice one. She did it perfect. Told you, women do it good, man.
They do.
Nice smile. Makes you happy, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
You just throw it back in.
Okay.
Good girl,
Beautiful,
Joel.
Julie. Oh, they're on here. I didn't. They're turning on. Yeah, let me see it.
A little bit.
Push the button.
Push the button.
Would